Equals is your Dell G3 15 charging but not turning on? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often occurs due to a failed power supply or internal component. When the device gets power but does not turn on, it might need a replacement part. We ensure the problem is diagnosed accurately and the needed components are replaced. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.